Hi. Hello. Say yes, Dad. Say yes, Dad. They seem like not abandoned. I guess people living there.
Hey, which one this is? Which one this is?
Wow.
Cartel.
Look at all this. Oh my God. This is very big. And this is the top of a mountain. You see? Man, we're right at the top. It's very open space. It's an open space. And all these houses, they seem more like some villas that some of the locals buy, because they are not really tall buildings like apartment buildings. Hey, what's up, guys? Mike Ronaldo. Welcome to another Chongqing vlog. So I just got to Chongqing, and a friend of mine invited me to attend a pool party and I'm just finding my way around. I'm still inside the garden. We live inside this building. It's not a hotel. It's a guest house, which has got 3 bedrooms, and my wife, her parents, my mom, we all live in there. And we should be there for the next few days. I guess this is the gate section, because I see people coming from in here. So let's try to ask around. Hey, 你好，那个小区大门是这边吗？
这边也有大门，那边也有大门。
哦，哪里方便可以打车啊？
打车，这边也方便。
这边可以。
对对
好
对，下面是北滨路，你可以到下面打。
那我这边打也可以是吧？
今天可能有点，在这里打吧。
哦。
这个大门，沿着这条路一直这样走上去。
哦，好的好的，谢谢。So, I am, the geographical location of Chongqing is very, very complex, and it's very, very easy to get lost looking around. Hey, 你好，小朋友。你好，你好，你好。哎，好可爱呀。The little girl is so cute. She's asking her parents, "Is that a foreigner?" Like, man, like, what the? No. I'm running out of time. There's so much traffic out at this hour. This is rush hour, and it is a holiday. It's a public holiday, so all the routes are so tight. It should take me like another 1 hour to get to that location. Wow, look at this dog. Man, it's a bit scary. It's quite a huge dog. Hey, 你好，小区门口在哪边？这边顺着过去。好好好好好，谢谢。你好。
你好。
Yeah. Man, I don't know why people want to keep very huge dogs at home. The dog eats more than I do. Should be another huge budget trying to feed such a huge dog. The garden is just so full of vegetation. There's lots of trees and plants, and it's just so green everywhere. And now I get with my captain hat. How does that look, guys? Cool. Monsieur le Capitaine. Welcome aboard. 你好，你好。It seems they aren't so familiar meeting foreigners in this neighborhood. Everyone looks at me like, where is this guy from? And what is he doing here in the first place? Man, guys, I have to rush. It's a rainy day. I got my umbrella right here, and I have to rush everywhere trying to get a taxi, and also trying to locate the exit to this garden. We gotta do it a little faster. Ni hao, 叔叔。你好。
你好，你好。
哎，你好，你们是这边本地人吗？
啊，本地人。
哦啊，你去哲学呀？
啊，你的说的很好啊。
还
这样是。
啊，谢谢，还可以。你们这边外国人多不多？
我们这里有，但是比较少。
比较少。
啊，比较少。
哦，基本上都是我这种皮肤的外国人吗？
没有，没有也有这个我像我们这样皮肤的。
哦，啊，这样。
哦。
哎，我就是来自重庆这边来说。
哦，
对
啥？
对，我就是找不到那个出口。
哦，出口啊。
对，小区我要去打车。
这一个是打车，一个是可以坐那个地铁。
啊，我要打车，打车可能快。
那这样，
我走错了吗？
就是
哦，
一个是可以下到里面南门，还有一个就是这个，这个这边过去，这个靠左手，
靠左手
啊，
出去，
上面过去有个120米样子。
Oh my god！
左手一个就是一个北门的大门。
哦。
大门出去。这边
不好打车吗？这个位置？
这边进去。
哦。
这边出去进去，这边出去了就有一个地铁口。地铁口
那边可以打车是吧？
就是那个大车道。
啊哈，我是这样直走下去。
啊，就这样，刚才我接水的这个地方。
然后左
那个对子向前。
谢谢叔。
向前大约有个50-60米，就是左手就是那个大门了。
好，谢谢你。谢谢帮忙。谢谢。
身体。
身体健康。谢谢。The old man is quite easy getting along with people, and he is also very outgoing and nice personality. Many of the locals would meet a black man, and because it's not like they meet black people a lot, they would feel a bit like scared in the first place, but scared not in a negative way, but more in a surprised way. 哎，你好，那个怎么出去？我要打车。
这个方向。
好，谢谢。
南门的南门。
好，这是南门是吧？北门，但是可以打车是吧？
对。
好，谢谢。Oh my god, this. Oh, the taxi is here. 你好。Hey bro. I see you're busy. Man, you see. Hello. Hi. You are the DJ? MC?
I'm the co-organizer, but also I just be the MC. I don't know why I'm the MC, but
good.
I can always help in my house.
This is cool. And they have some barbecue here. It already smells pretty good. Wow, this is.
Are you a vlog?
Yeah. Vlogger.
Oh,
Yeah.
you do radio too?
YouTube.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah,
How many followers do you have?
Not much. 300K.
300
这个，
给我这个吧。对对对对，好好好。
I confronted with them, they have to choose another.
帮到这渔船呢，拿那个
Thank you. Nice meeting you. What's your name? Mine. Wally. Sorry? Wally. Yes. I'm from U.S., but my family's from Egypt. I see. For now, it's my last 1 month left in Chongqing. After 1 month, I will move to Huizhou. Not Huizhou, Huizhou. I never heard. Guangdong. Like 30 minutes from Shenzhen. Oh, I see. Cool. How about the life here? It's good. It's good, but I like to move around, you know? I've been here for 2 years. I want to go somewhere different. Okay, you want to do some travels, like some new places. Exactly. Chongqing is amazing, you know, but I gotta move. My first time being here, I see lots of foreigners. How long have you been here? I've been in China, but I live in Chengdu. Oh, Chengdu, there's way more foreigners than here. I never meet any, no. Really, in Chengdu? I never meet many. Maybe because I don't usually go to parties, so I don't know quite much. Yeah, no. Chengdu has way more foreigners than Chongqing. Yeah, man, I've been living in Chengdu for 8 years, and I don't know. Really? So are you working here? Yeah. Chongqing is really dope, man, honestly. I like the back here.
Oh shit, you're filming shit.
You're doing good, you're doing well, bro. You're doing well. C'est quoi vous parlez?
Dans les écoles secondaires, c'est obligatoire pour les premières 3 ans de l'école secondaire. J'ai appris dans mon école secondaire, mais je n'étais pas à l'opportunité de pratiquer. My French is bad. My French is really bad, yeah. Ah, merci.
Ton français est bien.
Anglais. Totalement anglais.
Bon, le français, c'est une
Dans les strates plus rurales, pas français, c'est créole français. Mais tout le monde je parle le français, l'espagnol, je parle l'espagnol better than français et l'anglais.
Le français, déjà, c'est bien. Si tu parles l'espagnol plus mieux que le français, bon, ça veut dire, c'est génial.
Merci
Le nom, c'est quoi? Ton nom?
Brandon.
Brandon, ok. Mike. Yeah, Mike.
Tu as WeChat?
Oui, j'ai le WeChat. Bon, je prends ton WeChat alors.
Oui.
Nice pictures.
Where are you from?
Cameroon. Yeah.
What do you do here?
I have fun.
What?
I enjoy.
Oh yeah, I mean, what do you do in China?
I work.
Okay.
Yeah.
What's that?
This is a camera. Yeah. I'm making YouTube. I think this is the first time I really met these many foreigners in one place, man. Ever since I've been here in China, it seems the guys here in Chongqing they enjoy life a lot, guys. Yo. Say your style, say your style.玩吗？
第一次来这里。
哦，第一次。但是类似这种，你们经常来吗？
不经常来。
哦，可以。所以你们喜欢这种风格是吧？
啊，对，
还可以。
对，
其他地方不好玩。重庆很多好玩的地方呀。
重庆
对。重庆你们那些解放碑、
解放碑、胡亚都
超级对。
但是没有 party。
对，确实要来这样子的地方就要嗨起来。
为什么你中文这么好？你中文怎么这么好？
我觉得就一般般。
你完全就是没有口音。
没有，中文好。差不多6级中文。